Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Can you hear me? Yes? Yes, I'm very happy to see your all excited faces. I can see you are super excited for learning today's craft activity. With help of a waste bottle, which we completely filled with some waste, more plastic, so that it could become little heavy. Otherwise, what happen? If bottle is empty from within, it will keep falling down. So we need to make it little heavy. Although you can put a little of sand or something of this kind also, but like waste plastic, if you fill, you save environment. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So today's material is placed on my table, and I will tell you about. Kids are still joining, and so we will wait for little more time, and then we will start our work. Okay, see, I'll give you full view. See, so here you can see for making my bottle heavy, I simply fill it completely with plastic, waste plastic. And you can see, like in this plastic bottle, I have so many things we can't give to junk dealer. When you cut, normally we should not detach the for cutting. And foil wrap you can see, medicine, and a earbud. And when you like order something online, so lots of this kind of plastic you get, milk pouches, and so many things you will find. And this kind of plastic buttons, these kind of tiny things, we know you can see the wrappers of biscuits, chocolates, and even medicines. Medicine wrappers are also there. They are inside, not visible, but lots of. See here, you can see this is medicine wrapper. When after eating medicine, so that those are very sharp, and it should not go to landfill. And a gift paper. Many times when you get gift, so that paper, you can simply fill inside and simply press it with something, and it will become a eco brick. And in my, I have little more space, but it's heavy enough. This eco brick could be used for making stools. You can make it for making plant stand. And if you want to learn that, please visit our YouTube channel. I taught that how to use this bottle for making a small sitting table for you, and a corner table for decoration. You can put your art pieces. So, are you ready with this? Huh? Do you have this kind of bottle? I told you that any of the bottle. Okay. So, yes, this bottle, now like plastic waste and plastic bottles. If you don't reuse, or now you can even give it for recycling. You can collect and you can give it to junk dealer. When you don't use it properly, what happened? It reached to landfills. And what happened then? This kind of small, tiny plastic which I fill inside. It was a complete bag fill plastic. And see, when I put it inside, I still have space to fill. है ना? Yes. So, if you don't have anything now see, I did this. If you feel that no, I don't want to use this ways, I want to fill water and then want to grow money plant, then you can leave it like that. After completing your art, you can fill water and you can grow hydroponic plants as well. Okay? So that this is also a way you can use. Okay? So shall we start? Are you ready? I want to see a thumbs up with lots of excitement. Yes, because I believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? So today's artwork is like 25th December is coming, and schools are preparing, collecting material for different things. So yes, today we are going to teach you how this bottle could be converted in lovely Santa Claus. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. And we are going to cover up many more with the help of waste notebook. You can make a Christmas tree. So this time, if your teacher is asking that get a Christmas tree, no purchasing from market. Because when we purchase fresh things from market, directly or indirectly, we are creating more garbage. This is time. This is urgent urge of environment that we should reuse waste stuff. Okay. So I will try to teach Christmas tree out of waste notebook, which is filled, or any magazine if you have, and it is going to be a 3D Christmas tree. So very soon we will be having that kind of. So what we need today, we need acrylic color. This is red acrylic color. As we are going to paint this bottle, है ना? तो red color is needed and acrylic only. Watercolor will not work, है ना? Because this is plastic. On plastic, watercolors are not like efficient enough. So acrylic color we need, and yes, we need a paper. This from last craft, I kept it, and see today this paper I'm going to use. Pair of scissors. Cotton is needed because we are going to make mustache, beard with cotton. So yes, of course, lots of cotton is needed. Okay, and your brush pens, of course, brush pens, pencil eraser, and Fevicol. We need Fevicol as well for pasting and all. So are you ready? Shall we start? Yes? Okay. Ready? Yes? All of you, show me thumbs up. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Okay. So this bottle could be used two ways. After making your craft, you can fill water and you can grow some hydroponic plant like money plant or something of this kind. Or you can fill waste plastic. Now a bit of plastic, chocolate wrapper or a medicine wrapper, or biscuits when we eat. So very small wrappers of this kind. And a gift paper if you have, you will fill it inside. Okay, so that and toothbrush, it's a plastic and very small, you can put your toothbrush also inside, and this kind of small plastic, even a balloon, many times suppose any birthday decoration or any decoration at home, you don't know, even these balloon decoration which are very trendy, they are very harmful for environment, so you can even put those balloon also inside. Foil paper. Okay, chalo, so now let's get started. So the very first thing, you will take your bottle. Come on, take your bottle. This full view will help you understanding better. Do you want closer view? Chalo, I will give you little more bigger view so that the complete focus on artwork. And I will do one thing. I will remove everything from around. When we are talking about bottle, the only bottle should be visible so that you can understand and see it properly. And that's why I kept my background also plain. Yes. So see first bottle. Many of you would be having different size, small, big, it could be. So first you will decide what ways you're going to use your bottle. Okay, how much part you will keep for. Um, so what you will do now, you will, and those who are not having red paper, red paint, they can do one thing like they can cover the whole bottle with paper and they can color. This ways we can do, but I think the upper portion without color would be difficult. So here few things we will decide before. You can take a marker pen or sketch pen, anything. So the portion like this diagonal, you can see from here it is diagonal. You know, on the top it is cap, it is diagonal. So what you will do here, this part till here you're going to make cap. You will be making cap. Okay, I will mark it for you. Okay, you will make cap till here, mark a point. And now the lower portion which we have, and a lower portion which we have, you will keep little portion, like not half, more than half, you will keep for face and beard, this much big. And lower portion, we will show coat and belt. We can show belt and coat here. Okay, so if you also have the same kind of bottle, so I will give you with the measurements. Four fingers. Fingers from lower side, mark a point. And then four, eight. 8 fingers, again mark a point. And remaining is going to be cap. Okay. So if you also have this kind of, yes. Okay. So 4 fingers. If you also have this 1 liter bottle, so 4 fingers you will take, mark a point. Then 8 fingers, mark a point. If you have small bottle, then what you will do, my dear? The upper little part you keep for cap, okay? And after this remaining lower part, bigger portion you will keep for face, and little portion you will keep for making it, okay? So according to available size, and let your size be different, because bottle, it means this upper portion is going to be narrow, which we will use for making cap, okay? And today, like our bottle is empty, but we can fill it completely. And you know what? Complete big bag fill plastic will go here. You know, and this is called eco brick. This eco brick is very helpful. It is as strong as brick. You can use it anywhere in your garden. You can use it for making a table stand. For your sitting also, you can make a flat stool. So now onwards, don't throw plastic, save environment, and make this kind of eco brick. So chalo, come on, Mark. Now say this middle stripe which we have. Middle. This much big. This much big. Yeah, it's that much big only. I will simply mark a line, how much big it is. So it is this much big only. You will cut a stripe. You will cut a stripe and you can draw it with scale also. And you will make a stripe. You can put it and afterwards accordingly you can reduce it. Hai na? So see, it's little bigger. When you will keep, so yeah, it is little bigger. So what I can do, I can cut little more from top and exactly the size we have. I will cut a drawing sheet this way. This is going to be the stripe. I will keep all the things and the stripe should be that big that if we wrap it around, if we wrap around, so it should cover up every like complete part. And it should be that big. And this lower portion we will keep below. We will leave it below. Okay. This four fingers, it should not cover. Only the decided portion it should cover. Okay. Come on, do this. You will make a stripe now. Slowly, we are going to get started. You will keep this stripe on one place and we will color our bottle first. Okay, and the stripe which we made, and we will not go in it. Upper portion and lower portion we will color with red color. Okay, and color like you will have to apply 2 to 3 coats. And like thick color you will have to apply for finding the final output, desired output. And you will have to use acrylic colors, because this is plastic. So here watercolors will not work. Okay. So if you don't have black, it's okay. For black, we can make the belt with paper stripe only. But here you need to have this. So what we will do first, we will paint it. These are okay. And with help of, yes, these are acrylic colors. Sorry. Come on, this is red color. Red acrylic color. Okay? Come on, do this. Cut stripe and make sure it should be as big as your middle portion is. Okay? It should be as big as your middle portion is. And that much big stripe you will be making, which you will do pasting afterwards. It's little bigger, so I will cut a stripe. And I will cut a stripe properly because this I will use for making belt. Okay? Making belt with black stripe. If you have black paper, you can cut a stripe out of it. Yes, so see, it should be exactly the size. Yeah, this is exactly the size. Okay, you can see I mark here, and this is actually the correct size. Okay, come on, make it. And this time for Christmas decoration, you're going to submit this Santa Claus in your school. And I will try to cover up a Christmas tree with waste, notebook, and magazine. है ना next class, and you can invite your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone for this activity, this free activity. Okay, so now for your Christmas decoration material, nothing from market. We will reuse and we will create masterpieces. And if you want to learn many more beautiful things, I did many free activities before. If you will visit our radio YouTube channel, you will find all those classes available. So before purchasing anything from market or any card making competition you have or any decoration piece you need, please visit our channel and there everything we made out of waste material. So ready? Did you cut the stripe? Yes. Yes, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay, great. Thumbs up with smile. Great. Okay. Now what we will do, we will keep the stripe and I simply trim the stripe. I will keep this also. We will use it for making belt. I will keep it on one side. And first, like middle portion, I don't want to like paint because here the stripe will come to lower and upper portion. We will paint. Okay, let's paint it. Okay, chalo. Let's paint it nicely. If you want to fill water and grow plant, then you don't need to fill it. Otherwise, you, for standing position, you can. Chalo. So come on, take out your cotton. And with cotton you can do, and if you want to do it with paintbrush, tap tap technique you will use. Tap tap. If you will move this way, it will not work. I will show how. So if you have paintbrush, you will take out that. Otherwise, take a piece of cotton, make a ball out of it, and start painting. Okay, so this upper portion we will paint, and this lower portion we will paint. Okay, very carefully. You can do one more thing. You can remove its cap so that you can hold it like this. And you can paint it nicely. So a piece of cotton if you want, you will take it and you will take color. Don't take water and you will start tap, tap, tap technique. Okay? So chalo, let's get started. So I will take color and I will start tap, tap, tap technique. Tap. This ways. When you will do this ways, you will find beautiful, bright coloring. But with paintbrush, if you will do, you will see that your color will start flowing down. And a dark, we want it very dark. And that's why we decided the middle portion, which we don't need to color. Why to waste color when that portion we are not going to use? So why to color the whole? If you want to keep your bottle in standing position, you can. And without water, please don't take any water. Otherwise, you will find it very difficult to put it on. And you will nicely fill, go for tap, tap, tap technique. You can keep rolling it. And very nice and beautiful layer of color. You will find this is going. Make sure if there is pattern, the color should go in pattern as well. Okay. Like there, you can see when you will be starting Karina, some curved lines are there. So make sure it should be that this ways. And till line I mark, I'm going to do red upper side and red lower side. Take it nicely, very nicely. Thick coat I want. Okay. Yeah. So see, this is a thick coat I applied. You can go little down also, and a little down if you feel that you want to cover up little more portion than outline, you can do that. And same, you can see how nicely it has been done. है ना? Very nicely. So dry cotton and lots of color. And acrylic color will work only. Your other color medium is not going to help you for this. Okay. Yes. So this is the way you can hold it from middle because middle portion is blank. And so why we are doing this now? Because after this, if you feel that one more coat is needed, and if you're not satisfied with one coat, apply one another coat. But this makes sure this upper and lower portion should be nicely done. We will be learning so many craft related to Christmas. Okay. And this is the way you will complete your middle portion. You have space to hold your bottle. Okay, if you want to draw all around. And if you want to go little high, and if you feel that little high I will go, so you can even do that. And you will have to go with tap, tap, tap technique. Then only it will work. If you will keep move this ways, you will see it will not give you positive results. Okay, so see this is the way I will be completing. this red color, I will take more and I will completely finish it till bottom. And it should go till bottom. And nicely you will do. And after this, you will go and wash your hands, okay, properly. Make sure your color should go in all, like all around, leaving no white space properly. If you feel that color coat is not satisfactory, go for one more coat. Second time also, if you feel that no, it's not perfect, go for one more coat. And now two, three coats you will go with, you will find appropriate result and lovely outcome. And many times in school, like best out of waste projects are there. So there also. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah? Show your thumbs up. ठीक है. So you can make it with small bottle also. It's not like that your bottle should be this much big. If you will make it with small bottle, and not only Santa Claus, you can make like snowman, you can make reindeer, you can make with bottles. Do you want to learn angels? You can make. Do you want to learn all these characters also with bottle? Show your thumbs up. It will help me understand. Yeah, because bottles we have available, and yes, this all can best out of waste project if you have. For that also you can use it. So see, I nicely completed this beautifully. I finished, and then I will go to wash basin and I will wash my hands. Okay, come on. You also do this. After doing, first you will wash your hands nicely, and then we will start with our cutting and pasting. By the time, what will happen? Our color will get dry. है ना? By the time this color will get dry and it will be ready to use. ठीक है? So you need to understand and plan that what ways you should work so that no work will hinder. If we would have completed phase first and then in the end we would have tried to, what would have happened? Doing work on wet surface would be challenging. So chalo, let's go and wash. Okay, I will wash my hands. After do this, I'll take a pause of 5 to 6 minutes and I will start my story also. Yes, today's artwork is having a beautiful story. Our each artwork always have a story. Even today's artwork is having. So chalo, after doing, wash your hands properly. Even I'm going to wash my hands. Yes. So I'll take a pause so that you all could do this match. So this is story of a baby reindeer. This story is available on our YouTube channel also. And I like our bedtime stories are available. And yeah, one very great news I want to share with all of you. Like every day at 8 p.m., we are publishing a new bedtime story. And now we have in English also because so many people they don't understand Hindi. Earlier our stories were in Hindi only, but now our stories are in English also. One day Hindi, one day English. Alternate day we are publishing, and you can listen to those stories. I know we love to hear stories, and you can listen to those stories also. See the middle portion, I completed. Okay, whatever is the size of your bottle, shape of your bottle, don't worry. And this is the way the bottle is done. Can you see? This bottle is done this way. Have you all done? Yeah. Okay. Show your thumbs up. Okay. So only middle stripe. Okay. I can see few students are showing thumb down. They want me to wait for a little more time. Okay, I will wait. We will wait. Okay. Don't worry. So this is story of a reindeer family, Mama reindeer, and Mama was having two babies. One was very active, very fast, and like nobody can beat in running, very fast running. But the other baby was having very weak legs, was not able to walk even properly. And Mama always used to be worried about my little baby, my younger one, and is having very weak legs. And this younger one, and I always used to dream like one day will come. Acha, this elder one was getting duty from Santa Claus that um, ma- he supposed to drag the sledge. And reindeers they drag the sledge of Santa Claus. So this elder brother of the younger one, whose legs were very weak, was going for this duty and dragging the sledge of Santa Claus. And this younger one was also having dream that when Santa will call me, when Santa will call me for this duty, I will also run fast. I will be able to drag the sledge. This kind of dream was there, but legs, he was not able to walk even properly. Legs were that weak. Okay. Yes, done. Yes, I can see. So beautifully you completed it. Okay. So can you see this with help of cotton how easily we completed? Always keep one thing in mind when you want to paint bottle. You will use tap tap technique. Okay. If you will drag it, you will not find proper results. Okay. And with paintbrush also, if you are doing, you use tap tap technique. And don't use water. No use of water. Absolutely acrylic colors. Okay. Don't even take a touch of water. Okay. So done everyone. Shall we move ahead? Yeah. Okay. So now what we will come, we will keep our bottle on one side for drying. And now we will come on this part. This part. Okay. Come on this part. And you can see like if you fold it as broad as your bottle is, so which part is coming in front, you need to understand because that is going to be your face part. So what you can do now for this, you will roll your paper as thick as your bottle is. It will help you deciding that where the face will come. है ना? So see, like this is going to be the diameter of our bottle. So our face will come. You can take pencil. Make it this way. Don't do pasting now, okay? We only want to decide the face, where the face will come. So yes, face will come here and here. And if you will see this front portion, we will keep for face. And if you drag here, here, like yes, see this is the way. This should be the face. Okay? So you will decide and how much big I will give you the measurement as well. 5 fingers we can keep. Now 5 fingers, 4 and 1 5. Come on, keep it 5 because है ना? Or according to your bottle. Many of you are having small bottle. So according to your bottle, you will be using. Okay? And when we will wrap it around, this will be our face. So open it now and let's complete face first. Okay, and we will be using cotton now. After doing colors we will do cotton pasting also over. Okay, and after that we will paste it on bottle and little in the end work on bottle also will be done. Okay, now what you're going to do. Okay, so here this complete portion cover up beard as well. So what you're going to do, you will simply make eyebrows very close here. So for eyebrows, what you will do, you will make, you can leave little space and you will make this kind of two lines. Come on. Now you will draw and we will color this part. I think little more close. Do you want little more close of view or it is enough? It's enough? Okay. I will go through chat by the time. Okay, nothing there. Yes, I will wait. You all must have done the red color And now we will do this. So what you will do, you will make it little thick, because we are going to, we can put even cotton, otherwise we will leave it white. So it is just kind of rectangle kind of shape, you can see. We will use for making eyebrows and then eyes. For eyes, if you have googly eyes available, you can even put googly eyes. But I simply wanted to keep it very simple. Na? Otherwise, it's a headache. If you don't have googly eyes, then kids, they simply start panicking. And it's a headache for parents, rushing to market, then getting it. Otherwise, if you have available, even googly eyes could be used here. And if you have available. But as many of you are not having, so let's draw it. Okay. So let's simplify it with minimum things. So these are eyes. You can make it more bigger if you feel. You can make it more bigger. You can. And nose. Acha, nose again, we will cut separately. And after making mustache and beard, we will put it over. Okay. So our nose will go. I can take a piece of paper, and this much big nose I wanted to have on a piece of paper. Can you see a piece of paper? I place, and this much big nose should be there. This nose we will cut separately. And you can do one thing, you can make this much big nose here also, to just understand that from where it will get started with. Eyes, see, one more circle, and a very simple face we will be keeping. And yes, we will be making mustache. Okay, so here this face we will draw before, so that we can, and even here little diagonal line if you want in the corner, you can keep a little diagonal line here. I will wait so that you all can finish this much. And very heavy beard and mustache we will be making. Okay, then we will start coloring. After coloring, and keep this nose which we made, you know, on one side, because we will be using it. We will place it after making, putting cotton, so that it would be highlighted. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Come on, make this ways. If you feel that Santa is looking little tensed, you can make this line little curved. It will look more better. Take care. Okay. Now, finish this. Now we will make mustache. All of you have done this much. Can I check it? Huh? I want to keep it that simple so that everyone could do this. Okay? Great. Very good. All of you show your work. And everyone. Palash, Pratyusha, Rishita, Rutvi. I'm not, it's not clearly visible. Sanvi. Perfect. Sweta, Vanshika, Virya, Avakansha. Yes. Tithun, Manit, Nivruta, Kashvi, Harvey, Jahazel. Come on, show your work. Chehek, Gara, Bani, Chehek, Ashrita, Avantika. I'm not able to see the work, my dear. Advika, Aranya. Yeah, very good. Perfect. It's going perfect. Okay. Now what we will do? We will come on 2 points on the side. Okay. Mark 2 points. I think little closer view will help you understanding it better. The little closer view I will give. It is more perfect now? Huh? More closer view? Yeah. You will mark 2 points on side. And what you will do, you will connect it till here, till here. And like till eyebrows, you will take. How will you connect? You will simply draw a line Then you will go diagonal. Simply draw a line. Come on, let's go. Then go diagonal, then go diagonal, and then give a curve. Then give a curve. We will keep our curve very simple because here we are going to do pasting of cotton. है ना? Yeah. So what I did, a straight line, diagonal line, and curved. Okay? So this phase we will prepare on paper. We're pasting everything we will do on paper, and finally we will wrap and then little touch on this also we need to put. So chalo step by step let's understand and do it. Okay. Done everyone. Now see this nose we have na middle point. These 2 points we have na middle here. You will come little down because we want to make very heavy mustache. So now this child was praying, Santa, please give me this, give me this. And one day he asked. So you can see I kept little space and I will connect. It is like W. I will simply connect it this ways. Very like it should be very small space. Don't make it very broad and you will make this kind of lips and mustache. For that, what we will do, we will simply make it here. From here, it will go. It will come almost straight, and here it will go diagonal. It will come almost straight and slightly diagonal lower side. Slightly diagonal lower side, and this is going to be the shape. Okay, don't make it too much diagonal. And this is the shape which we will be making. Okay, and back side like and here you will make this kind of line. And this kind of triangle line you will be making. And remaining we will paste and then we will put some cotton for making hair also. Okay? Yeah. You will simply take a point and you will connect. So this ways we completed face of Santa Claus. Okay? And yes, you can see one nose is all here on a stripe. Okay? Yes. So ready? All of you have done this much? Yes? Finish it and now we will come on coloring. Now here, see if you feel that you want to simplify it more, and you can simply put little slight gray color or you can leave mustache and all white also. But we will give 3D look. We want to make our center looking very special. So yes, we are going to put little put cotton and for giving it 3D look. So chalo, now what we will do? We will switch on to sketch pen. Come on, take out your sketch pen. And yes, eyes. Okay, eyes. You can simply make this ways. Eyebrows, eyes. You will nicely give outlines. And you will make big lines this ways. And try to fill black color inside only right now. Okay, you can go for thick outlines as well. If you feel that you want to highlight these lines too much, you can go for thick outlines as well. And this is the way you will be completing your okay. And now we will simply nose we can leave because nose we are going to put over. है ना? So you can simply not outline nose. In fact, we will erase nose after coloring. And after coloring, we are going to erase it also. To see the lines of eyes, you can make little darker. And the lines of eyes and no color in eyebrow. You will take your red brush pen and you will put red in mouth. This part, which if you want, you can put outline with black. Otherwise, make it red. Okay. And yes, you don't forget to put red here also. This triangle part which we have now, you're going to put red here also. You can erase unwanted lines if you want, and then simply put red here nicely. Okay, come on, do this much. And I will wait for a few minutes so that you all could finish this much. And with black brush pen, the stripe, we will color black. Okay, yes. You are going to put black color over. If you have any black color paper, you can cut that too. And this part could be done with uh, uh, we can do this with colors also directly. Okay, come on, do this. And this is the way I will complete this belt nicely with black color. Come on, do this much. Okay, so I simply put it this ways. And now we will start coloring our Santa Claus. So we will quickly start coloring. And for this, what we will do, we will take our skin color. We will switch on to plastic crayon colors and nicely bright and beautiful color we will start doing in face. Okay, so you can take, you can make little pink. You can take pink and skin color, and let's complete face part. Okay. Yes, so I will take these two colors and I will start doing the coloring. So for this, what I will do, I will put little pink here. First, you take eraser and from eyes and eyebrows, erase unwanted lines. And I make it clean even from beard. And put little pink here, here. Okay. And simply start moving your color from a corner. What is the method of using plastic crayon? You will hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil and you will start moving it around. And nose, which I didn't outline, you can simply go orange and little more pink, round and pink also. Okay, yeah. And here you will not change the direction of coloring. Whether big space or small space, you will keep moving your color in one direction. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Make sure your color should look bright enough. Because we are going to put our cotton now, so dark bright color will definitely add on to the beauty. Okay, so see, I will simply move this and don't go for big strokes, and don't pressurize your color too much. Move your color with small strokes without changing direction, repeating every stroke 4 times. You will continue and you will find very beautiful and desired result. And see, when I didn't change direction and I completed, I found this kind of beautiful work. Can you see this? Nice face done this ways. And I will put color here on this also. Skin color and pink. I want to make it extra pink. And don't forget to give outlines with black because we are going to cut it. Okay, we will cut it. And one more thing we will do right now, that is belt. So our belt, we have now a little bigger than belt. We want to keep, or we can make it directly with brush. We will use direct colors or simply belt. Okay, so see, this ways we completed this much part. Okay, and remaining complete part is going to be with this. Okay, so come on, finish this much. Make sure your coloring should be dark enough so that cotton will have its impact beautifully. Eyebrows, you will leave this ways only. And nose, you're going to cut and paste afterwards. Although you draw nose right now also because our beard and mustache, everything is proportionate to it. So we draw it here also. If we feel that, okay, this nose is okay, we don't need to paste one nose more, then we will see afterwards. Okay, come on, do this much and then I will check the work. I'll take a pause of few minutes. I'll continue my story. So what happened then in my story? So this younger one reached to Mama and told, okay, I kept praying, Santa Claus, God, please give me this. My legs should be of this kind, that kind. But nothing is happening. My prayers are not getting answered, Mama. Mama said, because you're praying in wrong way. This is not the correct way of praying. Oh, so what is the correct way of praying? Then this little one asked. Mama replied, the correct way of prayer is, God, give me wisdom. Give me courage so that I can do it. My dear, you will have to do everything. You will have to take action. God is not going to come for you and He will do nothing on your behalf. And this little one realized, yes, I was praying in wrong way. Then he started praying, God, give me wisdom, give me courage so that I can do it. And then Mama started explaining. So then he asked, what shall I do? Give wisdom and courage. So Mama said, you will have to practice. Do more workout. Massage on your legs. Take medicines on right time. Healthy food on right time. Look at yourself. You're turned so lazy. You don't want to walk. Simply giving, like, you want to escape any work. So you will have to work hard if you really want your legs to be strong. And these things get fixed in mind of this younger one and decided I will do everything for leg. And started working hard, was started waking up, then doing exercises, healthy food, and milk, curd, everything started eating along with prayers and started getting wisdom that if you really want strong legs, you will have to work for and a regular massage 3 times, and slowly this regular action, courageous action started showing its result. Can I check the work? Show me. Yes, you all have done. Everyone? Shabash. Perfect. Okay. Now what you will do, you will take Fevicol. Okay. And you will start applying. Yes. Chalo. So we will take out Fevicol and we will start applying and we will take cotton. Now is the time to put cotton. Okay? So chalo. So what you will do, you will take Fevicol and you will start putting that Fevicol. Yes. So I will put little here in corner and I will put here in mustache and all over. Now you can put Fevicol at once or you can put little, then little more, little. And cotton is very lightweight, so it will not take much time. So see, I simply applied it first this ways and then cotton. So a very small piece of cotton I will roll. I will put it here in the corner. Okay. Diagonal line I made. Yes, here. And then you will take cotton and you will simply like make, you can simply make this kind of roll as we make battis and a small battis. See, you will put and you will simply roll it this way. So kind of batti you will be getting. And very carefully you will paste and then you can even drag. You can simply open and spread it on the shape very nicely. Okay. See, this is the way you can open and the shape is perfect. You can simply arrange it nicely. A batti kind of shape you will make. See, I will show how. You can make it and then you roll it. Softly you roll it. You will find this kind of shape and this pointed part could be your last point of beard and you can simply make it little more bigger, put it carefully and take it till end of your paper. You can simply open, and to cover up the space, you can open. Make sure your this should not hide. Okay, see, I will nicely open it, and this complete space below nose, you will cover up. Okay, you will cover it up nicely, and even the portion on side, this little portion on side. Come on, do this. I'll take a pause and I'll continue story. Okay, you will take little and you will put it here, and on side also, like we want to put it like this. Little you can put here on this side, and very carefully, like without disturbing the shape. And lips, you will make mustache. You're supposed to be little careful. And like eyebrows, if you feel that you are able to draw, and you will be able to manage, then only eyebrows you will do. And if you feel that little more part you want to finish with this only, so you can finish that too. So see, this is the way I will make. Put little cotton near face. Near face, we will put little cotton and finish. Okay, and very carefully you will start making balls. Now what you can do, you can take small balls. You can take cotton and you can make balls out of it. See, you can make balls out of it, and you can simply put it this ways. Carefully, because already we have soft balls, and you can simply put it over just to show curly hair of Santa Claus. So small tiny balls, okay, and simply arrange for making beard. You can put Fevicol if you feel that the Fevicol which you put before is dried. I will simply make this kind of balls. Yeah, paper is dry, so I will have to put little more Fevicol. And this is the way I will put balls, small pieces, small balls. Don't make it too heavy. Okay, very soft, and you will be applying it. Try to cover up the outer space as well. Okay, you can put little of Fevicol if needed. And yeah, this is the way you will make beard and mustache. We try to keep, and nose, it's okay. Like, it's looking great. If nose is like this, so what we will do very carefully, we will outline nose also. I think nose again is not needed. They will simply put outline and highlight your nose as well. Okay? Yeah. You can do it afterwards also when the paper is completely dry. So see, this is the way we completed it. And now what we will do, we will put little more Fevicol and little more part, not too much. Then afterwards remaining we will do in the end. Little more we will apply this, and we will put cotton. Okay, not all over, because our stripe is extra big. So not all over, but little. So for this also, again, if you want to show curly hair, you can definitely go for balls this ways, and you can make curly hair. Okay? Yeah. So very carefully you will be doing this, and you are going to make this. These are going to be hair. This red coat. red coat you will not hide. You will keep it visible, and you will put little this side, and this is the way you will simply take small pieces of cotton, and you will try to make hair backside, keeping this triangle untouched. This triangle will not be touched. Okay, come on, make this ways. And this is the way we completed this much part. Okay, come on, do this. Softly you press. Cotton will hardly take much time to get settled. Make sure your lips should not disappear, nose should be highlighted, and even this triangle shape, है ना, don't hide it nicely. And this is the way you simply put a cotton. You simply take out little cotton and paste. First you apply this sorry, Fevicol. Okay? Yes. By the time our bottle is dry, ready to work, right? It's completely dry, and that's why we finish it before, so that it could be used. Okay? Yes. All of you finish this? Because after applying it on bottle also, we need to do work. Now very carefully, now the next step is quite challenging. Okay, so very carefully you can do one thing. Either you can do one thing, you can simply turn it down, and you can, the portion which we have, you will put it this ways, and you will do pasting on each other. Come on. You will take Fevicol, let the face go down. You will take Fevicol, and very nicely, you can apply here also little Fevicol, so that the stripe will not run away. So you can apply a little Fevicol here also nicely to keep the stripe settled, and little on each other. You can even use, if you feel like to use, yeah, very nicely you will do its pasting. Make sure it should be tied enough. Okay, here it is little extra. You can even cut it. Hold it tight. If you feel that you want to put sellotape here for packing it nicely, है ना? See, so yes. So what will happen? Your face will go down, and you will be able to do pasting nicely. Make sure your pasting should be nicely done, very nicely packed. And see, this is the way. This much is going to be the face, and we need to work more on Santa Claus face now. Come on, do its packing backside, from backside. And don't worry, because this complete portion will come on white stripe. You know, we are going to make that white stripe of cap. So this complete portion will go there, and even backside also we will do pasting of white cotton, because we want to show hair backside also, right? So everything will be covered, and front will be looking like this. Okay, come on, do this. And if you feel that paper is visible, just spread it nicely. And with cotton, you can spread to fill the space. Okay, come on, do this. And you can put sellotape also if you want, or otherwise Fevicol, and you will have to hold for little time. Hold it for little time. And let the face go down. Hold it for little time, and then it will be packed like this. Okay? It will be completely packed like this. And yes, all of you do this much. I will wait, and I will continue my story. So now this little reindeer started practicing along with prayer. God, give me wisdom and courage so that I can do it. And now there was a shift in prayers. And when he started praying in correct way, he started having wisdom that what he need to do for improving the condition, making the legs more strong. Now, slowly, as he started doing lots of exercises, lots of workout, eating healthy food, taking medicines on time, है ना, तो slowly the legs start becoming little like strong. You know, he started walking slowly, and now he was able to even run slowly. And he was more than happy that, yeah, my prayers are getting answered now. So now it was the day, beautiful day of Christmas. And he was simply like sitting in near window in home and looking out, and suddenly he was able to see that a sledge land. It was quite far. It was quite far, है ना? And what happened very far, like Santa Claus started calling out, "Hey, my little baby dear." Okay, now done, everyone. Yeah. Now what you will do? You will take cotton and you will make a long stripe. Long stripe. Okay. See this face. I will show how. It's just like on a surface you can keep. Okay, you can keep on a surface and you can simply roll it if you want, or otherwise simply manage to have it. And then you're going to put it, you can keep your bottle this ways, and you will very carefully, you will have to do this part. You will put it on the head first, complete this, then we will turn it upside down. Come on. Okay, yeah. And now the face will go upside down. And yes, we will continue it here. Then a line will be continued, so this complete portion will be hidden in that stripe. Okay, if your paper by while pasting is little upper or lower side, as mine in my case it happened, it's okay. You can simply manage it with help of cotton. This ways, because this is going to be the cap, which is having little fur on. Yeah, yes. So see, this is the way your cap will look now. You can nicely, like, you can with finger you can arrange it nicely. And if you feel that eyebrows also you can make with this, then yes, of course, you can try this. You can make small eyebrows, and you can do pasting of eyebrows also. But I think let it be, turn it upside down, and quickly put cotton and simply cover this complete area with cotton balls. Okay? Yeah. So this complete area we want to show hair backside. है ना? So that's why we are doing this. So I will put this nicely and quickly. I will spread cotton. You can either go for balls. See this face. है ना? Softly you will take out and start putting it all over and try to cover the space backside. Okay? Huh. So because backside also beneath long hair, na? Like Santa Claus is having long hair. So that kind of something we wanted to show. And backside this complete white you will be showing and making it interesting. Okay, and as it is back portion, so and white already the surface is white. So if little portion is visible also, then also it's okay. You can completely hide it, or if little part is visible, it's okay. Okay, and we will cover it. You can see with a waste bottle, and as it is heavy, so if you are making any character, and on the top also, like near cap also, we will make a ball of it and we will cover it. Okay, come on, let's completely cover it beautifully. And if in your school you need to submit Santa Claus, please go for it. This time, nothing from market. Many sessions I took in which I teach you how to make 3D tree of Christmas. And a Christmas tree we need to submit many times. What we do is we simply rush to market. And afterwards, that tree is of no use. You know? See, so I simply made hair backside. you can press it little. It will look more tidy. And this is your, yes, come on, nicely. You can make it little more neat. Eyebrows, if you feel that you want to make eyebrow with this, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it this ways. And now, last but not the least, belt. We need to put a belt. And nose, like it is looking great, but if you feel that 3D nose you want to put, but it is looking great, so let's go for it. I don't want to make the work complicated. Okay. Now for making belt, two things could be done. Either you can make belt directly, you know, or I'm going to do one more thing, and that is a flat line here, here. On this, the belt will come. So you are going to not this much big. You can make it little thick, thin. You can make a batti kind of object. Okay, not thin, and this kind of something you will make. And this is going to be the coat from over this, like will make belt. Okay. Yes. So see, I will put it here in center. It should be nicely shaped. Otherwise, it will not look like coat we are making. You know? So nicely shaped. And place this ways. Okay, connected with beard. And it's perfect rectangle shape with a belt. Come on, do this much. Okay, so here you can see our Santa Claus is about to get ready. Okay, and on the top, like here also, we will make this and we will simply cover it up. Now on the top also there is something of this kind. And if you feel that you want to fill water and you want to use this bottle for growing money plant or something of this kind, yes, then you can use that ways also. Okay? With red, if you feel that little of color is visible, so you can simply nicely fill this. Okay? All of you do this. So what we did, we simply did pasting of cotton backside, to show here, and a stripe kind of pattern we took and we kept it below. So because that is going to be coat, and then we will do pasting of belt, and then we will draw a buckle of it. Okay. So and Santa Claus would be ready. We will put cotton after putting cap on it. We will put cotton over, and our Santa Claus will be done. Okay, come on. So this is best out of waste, Santa Claus. If you have any project like you're supposed to draw something out of waste material, there also it could be tried. Okay. Yeah. So do it nicely. And after this, yeah. Done, everyone? Yes. Now belt. For making belt, what you will do, you will take your black stripe. Where is it? You will take your black stripe. You will place it over, and then you will simply turn back and you will do its pasting. Okay, you will do its pasting. So mine, it is little small, but I think if you use the complete stripe, then it is going to be perfect. So I will, whatever part I have, I will paste that much only. Put Fevicol nicely and hold it for some time so it will be pasted. Okay, come on. So I simply arrange black belt, that stripe which I put, and I'm going to hold it for some times. And then this belt will go over your fur which we apply. है ना? And if you have any satin ribbon, है ना? If you have thin satin ribbon, you can even put satin ribbon also. ठीक है? So you can see slowly our drawing, our craft is going to get ready. Okay. You will have to wait till it completely get dry and see. Now the last but not the least, one thing is left, and what is that? That is, it's we will be making a small square with yellow color, which will be small, slightly bigger. Okay, we will cut a very small square. Okay, and okay, so what we will do now, we will take this kind of paper, and it should be little bigger. Okay, so I will make a rectangle shape. I will cut it nicely and see that it should be little bigger than your main stripe. Yeah, it should be little bigger because it is going to be that buckle. Can you see this rectangle? Can you see this? This it should be little bigger than this. And what you will do, you will simply take your marker pen. You will make a line inside sleeping 11, standing 11. You will simply put black inside and you will put yellow outside. I want to make it golden, right? So I want to make it golden. So I will put black inside. I will make one more box and I will put yellow outside. Okay, nicely you will put yellow and this will go on belt. Okay, very simple but beautiful. And yes, it is going to have a great impact on our artwork. We will simply put it here and simply align it with this. It is going to be your buckle. Okay, so see, this is your Santa Claus ready. Last but not the least, you will put little on the top. On top also, you can make a ball or you can simply put it over and it will be done. But I will leave it open because though if you want to use it for some purposes like filling water or what, you can use it. Okay. Otherwise, a stripe and you can cover it. Okay. Yeah. And this is your craft ready. Santa Claus craft ready. Okay. See, because on the top of cap also there is a pom pom kind of white pom pom kind of thing. Yes. And can you see using a waste bottle, we completed this craft. I will give you full view of it so that you can see it nicely. And from back side, it's like this. Okay. And this way is using a waste bottle, we completed our complete Santa Claus special craft. We can try to keep it extremely simple so that kids can easily do that. And I will put Fevicol all around so that I can nicely cover the complete cap. I will seal it. Okay. Completely pack it so that, yes, but if you feel like to open it, you feel like to use it for some, color it nicely. and backside also. All over, you will put it nicely, pack it, and then make it like a ball. Kind of make it a neat ball kind of something. And this is your Santa Claus ready. We learn this craft, and if you feel that little more space is there, you can fill it. So this is all about our today's work. And if now in your school you need to take Santa Claus or cut out or something with which could be used for decoration, so you can take this also. Okay. If you want to make Christmas tree, I will continue my story now. I will complete my story also. So, what happened that Santa Claus was standing very far, and he said, but till this time he was able to like walk and run slowly. So he called out, "Hey, my dear one, younger reindeer, come!" And I started calling, and like he was extremely happy, and he started running to the direction where Santa Claus was standing, and he hugged Santa Claus. Santa Claus, you came to meet me. So he said, yes. So he said, but I'm not able to, I'm not strong enough. So Santa Claus said, whom? About whom you are talking? You are strong enough. See how fast you are when you were rushing to me. And he suddenly realized, yes, he was running so fast when he wanted to meet Santa Claus. And then Santa Claus said, "Okay, are you ready for your duty? Come on, drag my sledge because I want someone very dedicated like you." And that day, like he was extremely happy and realized when you pray in correct way, your prayers are getting answered. Now, my moms, please don't go. And we will love to have your feedbacks as well. And I want to see that Santa Claus. Oh my God, these are looking so cute. And this Chehek, a cute little one. Oh my God, it's looking so beautiful. With a small, tiny, like I think this is a small bottle, and so cute it is looking. Wonderful. My dear children, you all did excellent work. Painting, pasting, everything is outstanding. Okay, now I will request all parents to be with us so that we can have your feedback and any suggestion, any and your so I will request my team member to spotlight them and unmute them so that we can talk with each other. Yes, so moms, please stay with us. Your feedbacks are going to help us understand where we need to correct ourselves. Hello, Kanika. Kanika, please start spotlighting parents. Class is over. हाँ, spotlighting parents. Class is over. Yes, so I will request, yes, I will request moms to unmute them. Yes. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself because you have that access. You can do that. Uh, Chehak, Bani, try to unmute yourself. And Devanshi.
Good evening, ma'am. Am I
Hello,
audible
ma'am.
to
How are
you?
you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Your sound is very low. Please
Okay,
increase
actually,
increase your sound.
yeah. Is this good now, ma'am?
Now little bit audible. Ma'am, how was the class? Please share your feedback.
It was amazing, ma'am. Means she is doing it regularly with your other classes. So
Okay.
I can see her happiness in her action, in her face, and the way you are just teaching the art, and the way you are telling the stories of the Indian stories, basically, because they can hear the other stories and anywhere in mobile, and these days you can find it anywhere. But these are moral stories, or our the stories related to our Indian culture. That is what I say. That is a blessing to my daughter, ma'am. It's a
Thank
blessing.
you so much, ma'am. I'm so happy to hear this. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, please
Thank
do
you,
share
ma'am.
your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you so much. I will request other moms also. And fortunately, we have dad also today with us. So please
Ma'am,
stay tuned and share your feedback.
just
Please, those who
sorry.
spotlight. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Is there any storytelling classes?
Yeah, on regular basis at 8 p.m. sharp, we are publishing a new story. And we started in English also. English, Hindi. One day English, one day Hindi. Alternate day, we are publishing story regular basis.
Okay, ma'am. Just storytelling classes for kids, ma'am. Means, kids also can
Acha,
share
storytelling classes. We
their
are planning,
stories.
we are looking for a mentor, like good teacher. And this is a great suggestion. We will note it down. So for
Yeah,
sure,
because
we have, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, ma'am.
For us, ma'am, we just find the best with you. So,
Okay.
so,
Okay.
so just me and my husband just discuss this. Just we can ask ma'am if she can take some storytelling classes.
For
So,
sure, ma'am. I will keep this suggestion in mind.
yeah.
And my dear, you're doing great. Very well done. Definitely think about it, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
ma'am.
Well,
Thank you.
lovely work. Excellent. Beautiful. she, she arranged flowers. Lovely. Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. I will definitely think about it.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
thank you. I will request other moms, and I can see Avantika's father also. So please try to unmute yourself because, like, hardly we are able to talk with dads. So if you can, we will love to have your feedback also. Yeah. Sir, hello, sir.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Thank
How are
you, thank you.
you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for creating such a warm and lovely environment for my children to learn new stuff, man. I mean, I appreciate the way she has grown. I mean, she has learned and turned up things. I mean, I love the way you are teaching, ma'am.
Thank you
Much
so much, sir.
appreciated.
Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp. I can see a great art craft in hand of your daughter. It's so
Yeah.
beautifully and neatly completed. Excellent.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes, I will request other moms also. I can see Ashrita, Ashrita's mom. Yes, ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Little louder. I think it's your speaker is quite low.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Very timid sound I can. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, Ashrita loves drawing, art and craft and everything. But what I found after joining your classes, she got more like ideas how to do and all. Even I'll say like after joining your class, after attending, like if Monday she has class, Tuesday she'll try herself something.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's very amazing. Very
I
good.
really even my husband also he was also like after seeing his her drawings and everything he's also very happy.
I'm so
And
happy to hear this.
one more thing I wanted to know, ma'am, like in every session you say like to share her drawing and everything, so I don't know where to share the
Yeah,
what.
ma'am, now personal number, my personal WhatsApp number is mentioned there in description. So you're supposed to share the artwork there. There
Okay.
I personally review each and every artwork.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm very happy. And Ashita, you're doing great. Even today's craft, you really wonderfully completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Cute,
Yeah,
very cute
actually, I was.
recycling of waste bottle.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had a session, so I didn't see she did everything herself. So when after coming over here, when I saw it, it's so amazing. I really loved it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
The
Thank you so
way
much.
you are telling them with so much of patience, and I would really appreciate the storytelling, ma'am. The way you say the stories, so soothing, like voice. Children, they like she keep on listening to stories. She loved to listen to the stories. It's very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Because of this only we started with on regular basis. Because this time when we are on mobile and on one click, like things are appearing, little patience very much needed for our kids, and that's why we are on with story. And earlier we were having stories. I was sharing stories in Hindi only, but now in English also, because there are many who are not able to understand Hindi. So
Yes.
every day at 8 p.m., ma'am, our story is been published. So you can
Yes,
make
ma'am.
it habit of her. She can listen every day.
Yeah, and the most like the thing which I really like is for with every picture while drawing, you give like you tell a story. I really love that. Like many things they learn from that stories.
Thank you
These
so much,
stories.
ma'am.
It's
Thank you, and please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well, ma'am. Thank you so
sure,
much.
ma'am. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, I will request. We have Rishika's father. So we are very fortunate that today we have many dads also. We hardly have fathers with us. Please, sir, unmute yourself. Yes. And yes, Meher, I can see your lovely Santa Claus you're sitting with. It's really beautiful. Wow, very good work, my dear Rishika. So beautiful and lovely. Sir, please
And
unmute yourself.
yes, yes. You can hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes, I can hear you, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, yes. I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Actually, Rishika was very happy with your classes from last 2 weeks she was attending. And we are
Okay.
also very happy that we have joined. I came to know from my sister actually that this class thing. So that is the reason we have joined her. And she was like now independently, she was doing the artwork and all. So which actually is very good from our side also. And also
Okay.
a big thanks to you. And also
That's amazing.
today, I think it was at the last minute which she came to know that there is art class, but she was quickly into things and she bought all on her own and she has done this. So that is the improvement which I have seen after joining into this class.
Okay. That's amazing. Rishika, you did really wonderful. Craft
Mm.
is looking great. Very good, my dear. Thank you so much, sir. Please do share your
Yeah,
feedback on WhatsApp as well.
sure, sure. One more thing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, after every class, if at all you can spare some 5 minutes or so to the whole class, so that if any doubts or clarifications the kids require, you can help them instantly, right?
Yeah, ma'am. So actually, we were having one-to-one sessions before. For that, we fixed the slots morning time.
Okay.
Between the gaps we were having between our regular classes, due to traveling and some reasons, we discontinued it for few days. There we were
Oh,
like that. If you have any query which you want to talk one-to-one, so that time slot was devoted for that. Very soon we are going to get started with. Besides this, we have regular parents meeting sessions, and yes, my
okay.
personal WhatsApp number is always there. And many times, like parents have having any query related to class or any competition, they contact me
Okay.
there. That is my personal WhatsApp number, and I guide them for this. So recently, this ways it is happening because in class, if we do so, sir, like we
Mm.
have more than 200 students in every batch. So somewhere like we find it little challenging to manage with. So that's why we
Okay.
started with one-to-one time slots available so that those who want to talk about or any suggestion or any special query, we can talk one-to-one. So very soon we are going to have those slots on again, and
Okay.
we've in class like we are finding little challenging to cut short the quality time of learning.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank you.
so much for your
Thank you.
suggestion as well. Thank you.
you.
And I will request, yes, other moms. Mehar, do you have your mom with you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, call. Such lovely craft you created today. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, hello, mom.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm very good. How about you, mom?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So although she created it with my help, but yes, she enjoyed a lot.
Okay, but beautifully she completed.
Yeah,
Great.
yes.
Mehar, your brother is as beautiful as you are, cute as you
Oh,
are,
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
and even your craft. Okay, great. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I will, Ashrita, is your mom with you? We already talked, I think, Hannah?
Yes.
Yeah. And Palash Bokai. Hello, ma'am. Please unmute yourself. Hello. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. You're not audible. Ma'am, please try to do it because you're not audible. No, ma'am. I'm not able to hear you. But yes, the thing which I can see a lovely craft. So wonderfully done. Ma'am, please try it one more time. I think we will be able to talk this time. No?
Yeah, you had fun.
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes,
You
ma'am.
can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So no, thank you so much, ma'am. I mean, I think Palash really enjoyed doing this. I had to
It's
have.
really wonderfully done. I just love the way he completed.
Hey, don't tell about that. But
Oh, Are.
I
Take care
think
of your hand, okay, Palash?
no, but it was, I think, the stories that you tell and the way you carry on with the craft activities is simply amazing. That it keeps the children engaged. I think that's very important to make them sit for that long of time to do this. So I think it's amazing that you do this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well. Thank you
I
so
will.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, I will request Kashvi. We have so many dads today, fortunately. Yes, Kashvi's father. Please try to unmute yourself, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir. Kashvi, I can see beautiful craft in your hands. You did excellently, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Please
you.
share your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. It's a very interacting session. Definitely, I used to afraid of these sessions because he used to color a whole her room. But because this is going by a class, he did it very in a disciplined manner. That is what I was expected. But
Okay.
yeah, and also as one of the parents suggested, ma'am, in the drawing class that used to take. Probably a interactive session of 5 minutes at the end, like asking each student if possible what they are doing would be really helpful. Otherwise, they are doing it, no doubt, but again, uh, the immediate feedback, if they get it, that would be helpful.
Actually, sir, when we started our classes, so that time we were giving the success of unmuting them.
Mhm,
The success was given, but slowly what we started observing that suppose
mhm,
one child is saying something, and the
mhm,
other also feel like that I shall also say something. And what
mhm.
happened the moment you turn on your mic, the camera shift to you, and it disturbed the
Okay.
complete rhythm of the class. And you won't believe, like one artwork, it was taking 5 to 6 classes to finish. And so
Okay.
somewhere
Okay.
we started observing, and many parents also start complaining that, ma'am, it's disturbing the rhythm of class. Then finally, we
Mhm,
decided to find out other platforms where one to one we can talk and handle the query. And so, when I was teaching offline, I taught
okay.
for more than 16 years in school also. There
Okay,
also
ma'am.
during class time, like I was not permitting them to ask anything. So
Okay.
that's why we break down our method in such a way that first of all there should be no any query, and if have we, that's why we are providing recording also, sir, with lifetime
Mhm.
validity, so that if in class something is missed or want to practice, so that complete class and complete guidance is again available for you. So then we
Okay.
started looking for other platforms in which, with help of them, we can cover up more artworks. We can keep the class smoothly conducted, and so then finally we come on this conclusion. So yes, Master,
Mhm.
we are going to have our one-to-one sessions time slots on very soon.
Mhm.
There you can book the slot and any query if you have, and my personal WhatsApp number is always there too. Actually, as we have the number of students, it's quite high, more than
Mhm.
200.
Mhm.
So here, we find it little challenging with this kind of things.
And
This
is
is
this, yeah, ma'am. Is this craft activity is one time, or will you continuously
craft we
take it?
kept for just one day right now, but in our
Mhm.
regular classes also sometimes on and off I like cover up little of craft, little clay work, this kind of things. Craft is for weekend. This is simply kept right now for Sunday only.
For this Sunday only, or every Sunday will you
No, we are
continue?
planning to have every Sunday. है
Hmm.
ना? Recently, तो we have on every Sunday.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much, sir.
yeah. This is actually interactive, and kids are enjoying this. Definitely, if you continue every Sunday, that would be helpful, ma'am, for sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I will request other moms also, Bhuvik and Shweta. Yes, please try to unmute yourself. Shweta Yadav. Ma'am?
Unmute. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yes, Bhuvik. Bhuvik's mom, I think.
Wait, yeah. Just 1 minute. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. After joining your class, I can see the changes in him and the way he's doing. He's showing so much of interest.
Yeah.
Just one thing I just want to ask from you, do we have classes in weekends, if not in weekdays?
No, our regular drawing classes we have thrice a week. This
Okay.
weekend we started just as like we felt like little craft will be helpful to them. So
Yeah.
otherwise, our regular drawing classes we have thrice a week.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And ma'am, where should we share all the artwork, ma'am? Whatever he's doing, I have.
See, for our regular classes, like my personal WhatsApp number is there in
Yeah.
description. So I
Okay.
invite all the artworks there so that I can review
Okay.
each and every artwork personally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I'll just share the artwork over there. Thank you.
And Bhuvik, you really did excellent work, my dear. Very, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I will request Shweta Yadav, ma'am.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
He's very
afternoon.
much
How are you, ma'am?
excited, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
He's very much excited from morning, ma'am, to listen to
And he
class.
keeps sharing the artworks on regular basis. And
Yes, ma'am.
ideas used to be so creative, like the things which he add on.
Yes, ma'am.
It shows that how creative artist he is.
Yes, ma'am. Every day he'll do what? If you're doing other, he'll do another, ma'am.
Yeah. He's blessed with lots of imaginations.
Yes, ma'am.
So great. And do revise every artwork, my dear, okay?
Yesterday
Okay.
also he did one artwork, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll share on
Please
through
do share
WhatsApp
on
number.
WhatsApp. And today's craft you enjoyed?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Ma'am, what kind of shift in behavioral pattern you are able to see after joining our classes?
Now he'll able to draw. Before also he'll able to draw, ma'am. Now he's very confident, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. He wants stories in Hindi, it seems, ma'am.
Yes, Hindi storytelling is on, and you can visit my YouTube channel. There you will find more than 300 stories. And now
Okay.
every day, like every alternate day, we have a new story in Hindi and one day in English. So you can hear English stories also. It will help
Okay,
you
ma'am.
getting your vocabulary stronger. है ना? तो we are on regular basis. We are publishing our story at 8 p.m.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
you can enjoy.
Okay,
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
okay,
you.
ma'am. We want to show
Deep,
it.
Wow, very good. Beautiful work. Lovely. Yes, I will request Devanshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Devanshi Mukherjee. Fortunately, we have so many dads today with us. And Devanshi work is excellent. I can see that smile of excitement on your face. So please try to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Hello, hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we are very, very blessed to have met such a teacher like you. So over the past 2, 3 months, she's been doing your classes. And the best thing that I like is the amount of happiness and joy and the calm sense of mind that she has when she listens to your stories and does this craft and different kinds of drawings that you do. And we are all very happy with this. So we have also taken a subscription of 6 months to so that this stays uninterrupted for her. And the way your storytelling goes, ma'am, hats off to you. So, so like my wife also conveyed to you, we are looking forward to see if you start your storytelling classes as well, so that just like you
I
are
will definitely
transferring.
think about. Otherwise, I was thinking of looking for a teacher, another teacher. But
Yes, yes.
I will think about your suggestion, and for sure we
Sure,
will.
ma'am.
And that's why I started framing like my stories audio for students only, because I really feel that somewhere it is urgently needed. A good mental diet before going to bed is
Yes,
very
yes.
much needed.
We'll definitely follow that also, ma'am. And just
Yeah.
like you are transferring your skills of art and crafts to the kids, I hope you transfer your storytelling skills as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your
We'll be
blessings
very
and good
grateful.
wishes.
We'll
Thank
be
you.
very grateful, ma'am. Thanks a
Thank
lot for this for transferring these blessings that you have from God. Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much. This all is because of trust and belief you all have in us. So this
Thank you
is
so much.
blessings of Almighty God that so many
Yes,
like
yes, yes. Everything is
yeah.
because of Almighty God only, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. And please
Thank
do
you.
share your feedback on WhatsApp
Sure,
as well.
sure, sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Devanshi, you did excellent work, my dear. Very good. Yes, I will request other parents also so that we can have feedback of them too. And yes, please try to unmute yourself. You have that access. Nivruta. Yes. Niv- okay, so I think it's all about. Now we can wind up. All parents, thank you so much for your patience, for your time. And kids, you hopefully all must have enjoyed today's session. So now, if you need to take something to your school, please try to think about reusing things. When we purchase things from market, somewhere directly or indirectly, we are creating more garbage. So it's time to be aware and think about how you can reuse a waste bottle or something else. And we did countless sessions of this kind, free activities, that you will find lots of them available on our YouTube channel. You can take help of them. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up session. Lots of blessings. Take care. Bye bye.